So hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Prime Trades. This video is about how to take trades on our tournament sessions or how to take trades on our tournaments. From tomorrow we are starting a new tournament which is $10 to $2,000 and it's starting from tomorrow 7 July. So first let's explain what is the tournament. So this tournament is a 200x tournament. This is July month, and on previous month we have done another tournament which was $20 to $2,000 tournament, and on this month we are doing $10 to $2,000. So look here guys, this is a 100x tournament, $20 to $2,000, and this is a 200x tournament. So on this tournament your balance will be 200x, like we are starting from $10 to $2,000. So if you use $100, then your balance will be $20,000, right? So if you use $20, then your balance will be $4,000. No matter how much is your amount will be 200x in 10 days, and this is guaranteed. So if you use $10, then 200x of $10 is $2,000, right? So if you use $20, then 200x of $20 is $4,000. If you use $200, so $200 of 200x is $40,000. If you use $1,000, then 200x of $1,000 is $2 lakhs of dollars. Just imagine guys. So we talked about our target. So let's go to the rules. We do tournaments in 10 to 15 days. Like on this tournament, this is 100x, $20 to $2,000. On this tournament, we have done like it 9 to 10 days. On a new tournament, which is $10 to $2,000, on this tournament it might take some more time. So let's assume to 12 to 13 days. So this tournament will also complete in 13 days. So let's jump into the rules. So this is our today's session, and we have providing 60 advanced signals, and that's the result, and this is our feedbacks from our baby members. So this is our previous month's tournament, $20 to $2,000. This is the third day of the tournament, and look here to the signal. So it's day 3 tournament June, and this is the time zone UTC plus 600. This is the currency USD OTC, and this is the time frame, and this is the direction up, and this is the amount. This is the amount in percentage, how much you need to use on this signal, and according to a starting balance. According to a starting balance means tournament management or tournament rules. Our first rule is follow the investment amount given in each signal according to a starting balance. So look here, I provided 20%. So if you start from $10, then 20% of $10 is $10 into 20% equals to $2. So 20% of $10 is $2, right? If you start from $20, 20% of $20 is $4, right? So on our second rule, take only one step MTG if loss. So look here, our first signal, like on our direct entry 15 o'clock 16 minutes it got loss, so we need to take double amount on the MTG. The MTG one is 15 o'clock 17 minutes, same direction, just double amount. So our first signal was MTG win. Second rule also explain one step MTG. One step MTG mean you need to take on the next candle but one time, not 2 or 3 times like other channels. Let's look after to the third rule. If MTG loss, then take recovery on next trade. 4x. So 4x means, on this signal our direct entry and MTG got accidentally lost, so we have provided a recovery signal. So on recovery signal, on the percentage section, look here guys, we have given 4x. 4x means, look here, we have used 20%. So as that tournament was $20 to $2,000, we have used $4. In our direct entry we used $4. So if it got lost, then on our MTG we have used double amount, so $8. If it also got lost, then we need to use 4x on recovery amount. So 4x means, you may ask that 4x of which amount? 4x of your first candle amount, the direct entry amount. So we use $4 on direct entry. So 4x of $4 is 4 into 4, it's $16. So we will use $16 on recovery section. So the recovery entry got deep shear shot So on our fourth rule, do not take MTG on recovery entry. We don't need to take MTG on recovery section because this entry is 100% fully analyzed. This entry will be sure shot 100% if the market not too much volatile. Let's go into the fifth rule. This is the explanation. Suppose your starting balance is $20, then 25% investment on each trade. So if your balance is $10, then 25% of $10 is $2.5, right? If the percentage is 50%, then your trade amount will be $5. And the last rule was you don't need to use any money management for the tournament because I have already calculated everything. Yeah, you don't need to follow any money management. You don't need to take pressure because I have completely calculated the targets around the money management. You need to just follow our signals on tournament. Just follow the rules, just follow the amount I have provided, just that's it. And guys, look, gamblers can't be successful in trading. Either they will get rich by gambling and either they will lose everything. Gamblers are not allowed in my channel. Look here, I have provided the direction, the time frame, the currency and the amount also. So you need to take 20%, like $10, 20% is $2, right? So some gamblers use full amount. If it got lost, then they message me that they lost in my signal. So with gambling, you can't be a successful trader. You need to follow the money management. You need to have patience. You need to control the emotion. And guys, another point that the tournament, however the tournament is 10 days or 12 days, you guys should not withdraw the amount you deposited or withdraw the balance you have because our target is $10 to $2,000, right? If you withdraw the amount on middle of the tournament, like if our balance is $500, you withdraw like $200, then your balance is $300. So I'll provide the amount on signals according to $500. As you have withdrawn $200, you can't follow the money management or your target will not fulfill. And later you will say that my target not completed. Man, how will your target will be completed? You have withdrawn the amount. So this is our must be rule that you guys can't withdraw without completing the tournament. So guys, we do like this $10 to $2,000 or $10 to $1,000 or $20 to $2,000 like this. So we do compounding sessions. We provide advanced signals on our VIP channel. So those who haven't joined our VIP or those who haven't joined our public channel, join first guys. Link in the description. So our current tournament is starting from 7 July and which is $10 to $2,000. Those who haven't joined our tournament, those who haven't joined our public channel, join first. Our signals is totally free. We don't take any money from you guys. And how to join the tournament? First join our Telegram channel, then we will see like this post, a tournament $10 to $2,000 series starting from 7 July. Join tournament plus VIP free. So if you want to join our VIP channel, then create account from this link primevip.com/Quotex, then deposit $10 or more, as much as you can. Guys, this tournament is $10 to $2,000. That doesn't mean that you guys can't deposit above from $10. If you use $100, then your target will be $20,000. If you use $1,000, then your target will be $2 lakhs. So this is 200x tournament. So there is no limitation on amount. So after creating account, just deposit the amount, and if you guys want to use 50% bonus code, then this is our bonus code. Then send trader to Prime admin and then you can join our VIP. So that's all for today guys. Those who haven't joined our Telegram channel, join first on our Telegram channel and like the video, comment on the video, and guys don't forget that in every video we give $10 giveaway to a random commentator. So as we told that we give $10 giveaway in our every video. So let's find our new winner. Get comments, unique comment 54. So let's find our winner. Start. And the winner is 𝐷𝐿𝐼4740, the best trader ever I seen in my life. Okay man, thanks. Get a screenshot of your comment that you can edit the comment and message me on Telegram and get your giveaway. Don't miss the giveaway guys. So don't forget to comment on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you.